Hello to all my friends out there. Okay, so now I want to make some dinner. So I bought a lot of pork roast a month or so ago, and I cut it in pieces and I froze it. So around Christmas time, I bought these cooking bags, and these are really nice. Dollar Tree, I got six for $1. So they're about 18 cents each. So okay, these are nice because, and then they have a nice chart for all different kinds of meat. I'm gonna save that. So tonight I want to make my pork roast. Rats! I dropped my little these things. Anyway, so you know, I posted on my Twitter. It was the supposed food box. I don't know what those were, like maybe if someone can't get the food or something. Dollar Tree, I got four pounds for $1. That's incredible cheap. They don't have that all the time. Okay, so you have to shake a little flour in your cooking bag. These are nice. These are really nice. You know, like tonight, I don't really feel like cooking, but I don't feel like starving later on either. That's no good. Okay, so I'm just gonna, I have some dry onion. Some people use onion soup. I have garlic salt. I have pepper. Boy, I'm glad I bought these bags. They can be expensive if you don't get them. And then, you know, I have some carrots. I scrape most of the peel off with a knife. I didn't actually peel them. And, oh, I almost forgot the water. 1/4 cup water. That probably would have really messed my... So, you know, any pieces... okay, so why I get pork roast is because you can get those for 99 cents a pound. So I have about, I don't know, 2 pounds. So I have some in the back there. Probably not tomorrow, but the next day I will make some beef stew, but it will be with pork. Pork is cheaper. Somebody said, do you use your crock pot? I'm never home. 6 holes in the top. And I live in an apartment, and I don't leave anything going. I don't leave the lights on generally. And then you just slip it in the oven at 350. That's it. Okay, so that's easy. Anyway, and I have some applesauce around there to go with my pork roast. And so let's see. It takes around 2 1/4 to 3 hours, which is good because I have some stuff to do. So if you can get these at Dollar Tree, it's nice. And I will make beef stew next. Okay, on the food boxes, there was a beef stew with, I think it was a stew with biscuits or soup with biscuits. There was a burrito with beans and rice. The beans had cheese. I need to go over that carefully. So if you haven't seen it, I post on my Twitter. So the idea is examine these meals. Don't go, oh, that's awful. Look and see what they have done. Most likely it's very cost-effective food. I'm trying to do searches on government food to see what food they actually issue people. With that video, I think they just showed 2 or 3 meals. And, you know, the lady was kind of insinuating that the biscuit was pretty bad. I don't know if it was frozen. I think the food is frozen. I know they had frozen chicken in there. So I'm going to be going over that. And so, okay, I'll be back with a pork roast dinner soon. Okay, good. God bless you all.